I was sent this 190 SL steering gearbox that had been previously rebuilt but was leaking, and they wanted me to check it internally to see what was going on. So take it all apart, get it all cleaned up, get the tripod adjusted here, and we're going to check internally, see what's going on with the what I call the sector shaft and the bushings internally. But first we're going to do check some specs. In case anybody ever wants to know, the permissible play measured at the steering wheel circumference, 25 millimeters. That's 1 inch. So what that means is if you grab the steering wheel, you should be able to rock it back and forth about 1 inch. If you can do more than that, something's worn out somewhere. Now what we are going to check is the clearance between the sector shaft and the bushings. All right, that's it's called the steering shaft here, and its bearing diameter. There's two bearings, two journals that are polished and to size, and we're going to go with this top number, 29.993, and the internal final finished diameter is 30.000. So subtract those two, we got 0.007 millimeter clearance, which is not a great deal. And if I'm moving my decibels around correctly, 0.007 millimeters equal to 0.00027 inches. That's what we call 2 10,000ths clearance, because this is tenths, hundredths, thousandths. This is 10,000. So 2 10,000ths clearance, which is mighty tight considering human hair would be in this category right here, 2,000ths clearance. So the clearance between internally in the steering gearbox is, if you split a human hair into 10 sections, 2 of those sections is the clearance inside the steering gearbox. Got our dial indicator set up here, and what we're going to do is rock this back and forth and see how much clearance we have in there. So let's get it zeroed. And let's rock it back and forth. Yeah. As you can see, each one of those increments is 1,000ths of an inch. We got at least 4 to 5,000ths clearance internally. And maybe if I stop talking, you can hear it make noise. And I've already had, this is everything in the installed position with the shaft in place right here, and with the shaft with the recirculating ball, recirculating worm in place. If you take this out, you can hear the play as well. Too much slop. So steering gearbox is worn internally. Bushings have to be replaced, and you have to very carefully check the journals to make sure they are straight. Make sure you don't have a groove down here where the seal has been riding for 50 years. And then you've got to find someone that can not only install the bushings but hone them, because they do not come to final size. You need to hone these to where you have a clearance of 2 10,000ths of an inch, and that is not easy. But so this steering gearbox needs to be rebushed and rebuilt.